for today's experiment, we're going to be making a volcano eruption. I'm going to be making my very own volcano, and I'm going to use the water bottle, the plastic water bottle, as a base for my volcano. Now I'm going to use some newspaper and PVA glue and paper mache all around the bottle. After the PVA glue has dried, you can glue gun or just glue your bottle onto a cardboard base. Now, to make my volcano even bigger, I decided to get some scrunched up paper, and I found this paper in a Amazon delivery box, and I just took it out and I just scrunched it all up and glued it all around my paper mache bottle. Once it's all glued down, make sure to leave it to dry overnight. After the glue had dried, I just put a bit more newspaper on top just to give it a nice smooth edge, and then I added some red, orange and green paint together to make this brownie colour and painted all of the volcano. The volcano is dry, we can start our experiment. You will need bicarbonate of soda, vinegar and washing up liquid. Right, to make our volcano erupt, I'm going to add a couple of spoonfuls of bicarbonate of soda. It doesn't matter if it goes anyway, don't worry, because we can brush that off after. Now, because my bottle's quite deep, I'm putting quite a few spoonfuls in to make sure that our volcano definitely erupts. Now I'm going to add a couple of drops of fairy liquid. Now I'm going to pour my vinegar in. And our volcano has erupted! This experiment gives you an idea of what it might look like when a volcano erupts flowing lava. I hope you all have fun making your volcanoes, and I can't wait to see them. Bye!